Spain's sunny summers attract travelers looking for a laid-back and relaxing vacation. But the capital city, Madrid, is far from a place to laze around. Whether you're exploring world-class art museums, admiring stunning architecture while sipping coffee at a sidewalk cafe, or enjoying the vibrant atmosphere of tapas bars along Gran Via, the tourist attractions in Madrid are too captivating to be missed. Fortunately, Madrid's most popular destinations are conveniently located in the city center. The heart of the city is Puerta del Sol, a large square that hosts festivals, important gatherings, street performers, and serves as a hub for the public transportation network. As you navigate through the city's beautiful wide avenues, you'll encounter picturesque architecture, exciting museums, and sprawling green parks, rich in history and cultural activities, and home to one of the world's most iconic sports teams. Madrid is a modern metropolis with countless stories to share. Here are 7 must-visit tourist attractions in Madrid. Number 1, Bernabo Stadium. Renaissance art and sporting art are 2 distinct forms of art. When it comes to sporting art, Bernabo Stadium provides an extraordinary experience. As the home of Real Madrid, the most successful football team in Europe, attending a football match at this enormous stadium is a must for many sports enthusiasts. With a capacity of up to 85,000 people, Bernabéu Stadium quickly sells out for El Clásico, the highly anticipated annual match against arch-rivals Barcelona. However, if you're unable to witness Los Blancos in action, you can still take a tour of the impressive stadium and visit its exceptional museum. Explore the dressing rooms, dugouts, and press area, and get a close look at trophies, artifacts, and captivating exhibits on display at the museum. The Bernabéu Stadium is known for its quick sellouts when it comes to the highly anticipated annual match against Barcelona, their arch-rivals. However, if you are unable to attend the live game, you still have the opportunity to take a tour of the impressive stadium and visit its exceptional museum. During the tour, you can explore the dressing rooms, dugouts, and the press area. At the museum, you will have the chance to get up close to various trophies, artifacts, and fascinating exhibits. Number 2, Palacio Royal. The most impressive aspect of the Palacio Royal is its enormous size. Madrid's royal palace boasts over 2,500 intricately adorned chambers. Constructed in 1764, the palace functioned as the royal abode from the time of Carlos III. The last monarchs to reside there were Alfonso XIII and Victoria Eugenie during the early 1900s. While the palace is still utilized for official ceremonies, 50 of its elegant rooms are accessible to the public. These include an armory, pharmacy, and the opulent throne room known as the Salón del Trono, featuring a ceiling masterpiece painted by the Baroque artist Tiepolo. Additionally, there is a grand dining hall displaying a fresco depicting Christopher Columbus, presenting gifts from the New World to King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella. Number 3, Plaza Mayor. The Plaza Mayor, one of Madrid's most renowned plazas, has a long history that dates back to 1619. Originally located outside the city limits, it was initially used for bullfights. Throughout the Spanish Inquisition, the plaza became a site where many accused heretics met their demise. The rectangular cobblestone plaza is surrounded by 3-story apartment buildings that were completed in the late 18th century. These structures boast intricate frescoes, balconies adorned with wrought iron railings, and elegant slate spires on their rooftops. In the center of the plaza stands a statue of Philip III on horseback. Opposite the plaza is the Casa de la Panadería, which now serves as a tourist information center. Number 4, Prado Museum. The Museo del Prado in Madrid is a highly popular tourist destination. Designed by architect Juan de Villanueva in the 18th century, this magnificent structure is home to an exceptional art collection from around the world. To enhance the visitor experience, the museum underwent expansion in 2007 making it easier to navigate. With over 7,000 artworks spanning from the 12th to the early 19th century, it is virtually impossible to see everything in just one visit. Therefore, visitors might want to concentrate on the museum's remarkable assortment of Spanish artists, including Goya, El Greco, Da Ribera, and Velázquez. Undoubtedly, this collection stands as the finest gathering of Spanish paintings globally. Number 5, Reito Park, referred to as the Buen Retiro Park or El Retiro. This sprawling park spans 350 acres and is comprised of gardens, fountains, and buildings. Situated on the outskirts of the city center, it originated as a monastery in the 1500s. Later, during Philip II's reign and his relocation of the court to Madrid in 1561, it was transformed into a royal park. Since 1868, it has been open to the public. A beloved destination for both tourists and locals, the park boasts a large man-made pond where visitors can rent kayaks and canoes. On the eastern shore, there is an elegant colonnade structure known as the Monument to Alfonso Xuey. Additionally, the Statue Walk, also known as the Paseo de la Argentina, features statues depicting Spanish kings throughout history, sourced from the royal palace. Number 6, Gran Via. The Gran Via, often referred to as the Broadway of Madrid, is renowned for its vibrant and lively atmosphere, earning it the title of the street that never sleeps. This magnificent boulevard stretches through the heart of central Madrid, extending from the Plaza de España to Calle de Alcalá. Despite its current prominence, the Gran Via is a relatively modern addition to the city. Its construction was finalized in 1910, and since then, it has become home to a myriad of shops, restaurants, and businesses, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Among the notable landmarks along this bustling avenue, the Telefonica building stands out as the most famous. Upon its completion in 1929, it held the distinction of being the tallest building in Europe. The clock situated atop its Baroque American-style structure has become an iconic symbol of the city. Number 7, Mercado de San Miguel. Located just a short stroll away from the Plaza Mayor, the Mercado de San Miguel is a well-liked shopping spot for authentic local cuisine and specialty foods. The market's elaborate cast-iron design includes transparent walls that proudly exhibit an array of products, ranging from cured fish and succulent oysters to freshly made pasta and delectable cakes. Due to its extended operating hours, the market remains open until 2 a.m. during weekends, attracting both tourists and locals who come together to relish in drinks and appetizers, known as tapas. Furthermore, the venue hosts various events such as concerts, cooking classes, and exclusive gatherings.